What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today, guys, we are talking about yet another beard oil. This is a beard oil that I stumbled upon for 97 cents. That doesn't happen. A 97-cent beard oil, you're probably thinking like, well, how good could it possibly be? Why is it worth a review? Why is it worth talking about? Well, I got it for 97 cents at Macy's Backstage, which this is by Advanced Clinicals. You can find their products at advancedclinicals.com, and this is listed for 18 bucks. So I don't know if this was a mistake on Macy's behalf. They originally had it for $3.99, but I don't know. So after researching that and reading the ingredients, just the packaging alone looks pretty not cheap. So I'm ready to review this. I'm ready to try this out. So that's what we're here for today. So if you're interested in finding out about Advanced Clinicals for Men Ultra Hydrating Beard Oil, then keep on watching. Alright guys, change of pace, change of environment. Today we are by my plants. As you can see, Mischief is right there, being Mischief. The sun is out. It is not a typical winter day. It's actually like 50 some degrees out, so I'm in good spirits. I was like, let's make a video. What can I talk about? So I'm not fully prepared for this. I just did like basic research on this company. So this video is just gonna be fun. An unboxing, a review, a first impressions, all in one. So we're gonna go with it. Now this is Advanced Clinicals for Men, the Ultra Hydrating Beard Oil. It's non-greasy, hydrating oil, gives you beard, face, and mustache a softer feel. Who doesn't love a softer feel to their facial hair? I mean, we all do. But this, I guess, is infused with a nourishing blend of sandalwood and black cumin seed oils. So hopefully the scent is nice. I'm like huge when it comes to beard oils, guys. If you're new to this channel, what's up? My name is George. Yes, I have a knife in my hand. I'm gonna open this up. But I like to review beard oils a lot. I'm constantly like looking for a nice, nourishing, hydrating beard oil with a good scent. So if you're familiar with any, leave it down below. But the packaging for this though, before I fully dive in, doesn't look cheap. This looks like an expensive beard oil. Hence why I'm kind of shook that it was only 97 cents. Again, I think that was a flaw. I don't think this was meant to be 97 cents. But yeah, packaging is pretty sick. Doesn't look cheap. Feels expensive. There is a lot of information on the box that kind of like describes the beard oil. It says natural botanical oils enhanced with vitamin E, soften and tame coarse facial hair. Great. It has benefits on the back, which says super moisturizing formula, is infused with nourishing sandalwood, avocado, argan, jojoba, neem, evening primrose, and olive oils. It's really unique. I never actually come across beard oils that have avocado in it, so loving that. Hydrating blend promotes a healthy, soft look and feel for mustache and beard. We already read that. Scientists created, men approved. Targets for this. So what this targets is unruly beards, coarse hair, unkempt mustaches, dry skin, and a prickly beard. So that's what all beard oils pretty much take care of. Ingredient wise, this does have pretty sick ingredients. Does list some on the back. I'm not going to dive in too much with that because I've already listed a few. It is pretty cool because it says no mineral oil, no silicones, non-greasy, no artificial dyes, or no parabens. The directions are also on the box, which, I mean, it's beard oil. What else are you gonna do with it besides like put on your beard? So I'm not really gonna get into that, but yeah, I have the box open. Let's dive in. Let's check out this beard oil. Guys, this is definitely a good quality beard oil. It's a glass jar. We love that. We also love an applicator for beard oils. I try some beard oils that you just put on your palm and go like this. You have to shake it out. I don't like the mess. I don't like the hassle. This, you could just put on your face, so loving that. Has the directions on here as well. Made in Chicago, Illinois, so it's made in the US. It's pretty cool. And basically it's all the same stuff that's on the box, so we don't really need to get into that. Let's open it up. Very unique smell. Kind of want to smell it before I put it on. Does have a very like clean, yet masculine, yet sophisticated smell. I don't know, I'm liking it. It's not a basic smell, and I know it said sandalwood on the box and on here, but I don't smell the sandalwood. But anyway, let's go ahead, try this out. I'm only gonna put like a little bit on though. I don't like to put on too much beard oil because I don't like my face to be greasy. Even though this says non-greasy, again, never tried this company. So, let's rub it in. And as I'm rubbing it in, I'm not getting a like intense smell. I do smell the fragrance, and it's definitely like a very clean, nice scent. Okay, and I mean, when it does say non-greasy, I definitely don't get the greasy effect. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and we'll give a like full review once I see how I like it. So, be right back. All right, you guys, I am back, and I have my cat Patches here with us. I have to say, this beard oil, I'm liking. My face does not feel oily, I don't feel greasy, I don't feel like overwhelmed with the scent. And I've had this on now for a couple minutes. So overall, my experience with this, packaging, the whole presentation of it, the smell, everything I liked. So would I recommend getting this beard oil? Maybe not for the $18, because $18 is a lot for beard oil. I think for that price, I don't know, I just wouldn't do it. But it is a good beard oil. Overall, I would definitely recommend checking this out if you come across this for a cheaper price. But I mean, if you are someone's into like luxury items, if you want to even call this a luxury item, I mean, $18 for a beard oil, it's a luxury beard oil. All right, we'll go with that. I definitely recommend checking this beard oil out, whether it's for the $18 or the 97 cents. It's a pretty good beard oil, so do your own judgment on that one, guys. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I do not have anything else new going on to like ramble about other than, guys, I'm trying to like stick to my New Year's resolution, even though we're already in February, but I'm staying strong when it comes to like eating out for like fast food. I've been really good with that, surprisingly. And like snack wise, I'm huge on snacks, and I've been just like snacking on peanuts. These are honey roasted Planters. Obsessed with these, but I'm getting kind of tired of it because it's like the only snack I've been eating. Aside from like, I love chips, and I have such a soft spot for chips. And like, these are Sun Chips, 100% whole grain, so it's not that bad for you, I guess. I don't know, but trying to stay strong there. If you guys have any advice on like what other snacks to like try out that are not just fruit or anything like basic, then let me know. I also have a couple video ideas coming up that I'm kind of excited to share with you guys. I'm not sure if you are aware of this, but I do make bracelets on the side. I've been kind of slacking in that department. I have a little shop on Etsy that I haven't been promoting or really putting any effort into, and I'm kind of feeling like I'm gonna start doing that again. So if you guys are bored or interested in bracelets, then head on to my Etsy page. Link is in the description down below. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video, share the love, hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. Also, give me Instagram a follow. It's in one of these corners up here. So that's me. I post like twice a week, or at least try to. So give me a follow. But until next time, guys, have a good day, have a good night, whatever time of day it is, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.